how to. Hello everyone, myself Kajal Kumari. I am studying at MS Coaching Center. I can speak English today because of my teacher Amit sir. Today we are going to discuss poor people better than rich people. So let's start. I think rich people is better.
I know rich people is better, but poor people is also better. They have many education and they always focus on in study.
Rich people also doing hard work. Rich people they can't waste our time. Rich people have many manners to speak.
They have a many manner to speak. Poor people and they have a no getting chance for going to school, but they are thinking always, I want to become something and I will always study.
I know rich people also think of how to become good, how to make become good. So that's rich people doing hard working.
I think you are saying wrong, and rich people always our own money, but they are always doing our best money.
How do I am saying wrong? Can you explain that again?
I am not saying you are saying wrong. I am saying that poor people always saying I want to become something.
I am not about poor man. I am about children man. I am saying. So why are you saying I am wrong?
But poor children is only discuss about education for study because their parents is saying only you are study for anywhere any business places. But this time so rich man children is only going to wondering for only any business places. I know you are saying right because rich people child is focused on this study this time because poor people child is not focused on this study. Poor people think it's very bad. Why poor people think it's very bad and why they can't focus on it in study? No, you are not saying that poor people child is not focused on this study, but rich man child is focused on this study. But why are you saying wrong? Let me see. Why I am saying wrong? But why only rich people is focused on this study, but and poor people is not focused on the other study?
Oh, actually, poor people also using phone. Poor people going to anywhere. They can't understand how to study. They have poor people thinking I know they waste our time study. So that
No, you're saying
poor people they can't study.
No, you're saying wrong. Poor people always think about how to our country can move forward and always take care and poor people always become a good and become a IAS and police and anything.
Yeah, I am getting your point. But why poor people? You are saying poor people also thinking how to again my country. But poor people don't can't use how to again my country.
No, poor people don't waste our time and don't waste money. Always poor people always save money and poor people always focus study and our goals.
I think you are saying right, but rich people have many lots of money and new visitor wandering. I know they are a new visit, and poor child is not roaming a new visit, but they haven't many they are become a good after that they are roaming any visit. No, yeah, I know poor people thinking good. My child is become a good, but poor people child is not think good. No, I think you are saying wrong because why I am saying wrong. Yes, I tell you. Yeah. But rich man children is first of all the parents is giving to phone and the children is always using a phone and Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anything. They show off study and this present poor children is the parents is giving to a small phone and they always wise messaging how to speak this, how to speak that, only this time poor people giving also phone child and child is using phone Instagram and anything. This time poor people have many phone and using bad habit. I think you are saying right, but they are not good thinking of a bad habit. They are always looking in the phone good habit, and they are always looking at related of study. No, you are not saying right. Poor people child is not related looking the phone and using the bad habit. Using the bad. No, the parents is farming works, and the parents is farming, but they can't. they are teaching, the parents teaching, you can go and only study for education because you have to become a good. So that's they are thinking my parents is saying, so I can do this.
Actually, rich people have work, so that's rich people who are using phone. Rich people have studied at phone, so that's rich people using phone. Actually, poor people don't waste our time. Poor people always wandering anywhere.
Poor people have no money, so poor people can't wandering any places because let me speak. Poor people always thinking. Poor people always doing eat good food, and poor people always take our health. Poor people always doing hard working, and poor people always doing farming.
Poor people don't afraid anything, work, study, new clothes, fancy dresses. Actually, rich man also afraid rich clothes, have food, eating, all things.
I know. Poor people. Let me speak. Let me speak. Poor people always wearing simple clothes, but poor people never ever follow the fashion.
Yeah, I know. Actually, poor people have not money, so that poor people wear simple dress. Actually, rich people have lots of money, so rich people wear new dresses, fancy dresses, and rich people always going to anywhere. How to gain our business?
I know you are mistake. I know you are saying that they are always going to anywhere, but poor people always eating vegetable and chapati and they are always strong.
No, you are not saying. Yeah, I know you are saying that, but poor people is not eating food because rich people eating a food.
Yeah, you are saying that. Yes, I am agree with your point. But poor children don't solve education for anything and eat food. But they don't solve education and that places rich children is very so I have many cars and I have anything.
Rich people children very manner to speak and study. Actually, poor people children have not manner to speak. Poor people children always using abuse.
No, I think you are not saying right.
Don't respect elders.
No, I think you're saying wrong because the parents is teaching. You can speak. You have no words and you can't speak English, so you can speak Hindi and you can't speak abuse.
Yeah, I know. Poor people say our children speak Hindi, but why poor people children always using abuse?
You're saying wrong. Poor people
But why I am saying
I am telling you.
whenever kids in anywhere going, so that poor people using abuse.
No, some poor people giving abuse. Poor people have no mobile. You know, poor people always focus study.
No, these people have rich friends and rich people going to anywhere with our friends. Rich people also spend our time our friends. Rich people friends is very good.
Yeah, these people friends is very good, but they don't know how to explain that anything. Poor child is always speak politely, and they are with any person who speaks politely. I know they are not wearing a good clothes. They are wearing simple clothes. They are good, and this person is wearing a good clothes, so they have to learn to speak anymore. I know, but poor people, small children is giving abuse and not respect to each other.
Really with your point, poor people have a healthy manner and poor people always respect elder and poor people sense of unity and support any people.
I know, but rich people have many education and many more sense. Please let me speak. I think you are saying that because and poor people is one of the most kind of things. They have not getting chance for going to school, but they are always thinking I want to become something. Please speak.
Yeah, I know. Poor people are also thinking. I don't know when these poor people thinking. But rich people also thinking how to gain our country. Rich people also doing hard working. As rich people, parents working business. So that's rich people how to gain our business.
I know a rich person is doing a business, but a poor person is always doing